Hi fellas, I just wanted to take a minute and show you my folding bike touring rig. The bike is a ZiZZO Forte. It's a heavy duty model rated for up to 300 pounds because it's got reinforcements here and here, a steel fork, and this is the ZiZZO shopping bag. There's a Brompton compatible luggage block mount that's screwed to a braze-on the head tube. A short water bottle will fit in the middle there on the water bottle bosses, and this is a high volume Lezyne pump. And I have a small tail bag. I leave this on for everyday use. You want to be careful not to get too big of one, because once it spills over the edges here, it tends to hang off the side. The tail light, I replaced this reflector that was here. This is a Planet Bike Grateful Red. So you've got a constant on, blinking, and a breathe mode. And then I have a seat pack. This is a bike packing one, and it's a Toe Peak 6 liter. It's a dry type, so it rolls up, and it's got multiple loops here. I have an extra light on one of them. Stock wide comfort saddle, they call it. And then I have a Cyclomi BR2000 headlight and a Rockz phone mount. This one's kind of nice because it clamps down reasonably tight. It doesn't move too much. And you can adjust the width for your phone in a coarse way and then lock it here. And then this latches and unlatches to tighten it down that extra little bit. And then you can overload the front bag a little bit if you use the carry straps, and if you put your handlebar high enough. I've got it, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of the way up. And then last but not least, these are MKS folding pedals, the FD7. So they're a lot better than the stock ones. You push this in. I can't do it with one hand. Oh, there we go. Push this in and it gets to about half the size. So there we have it. ZiZZO Forte touring rig. It's November in northern Wisconsin now, so I'm got an extra sweatshirt there, ski gloves there, which I wound up not needing. And I am on the Mountain Bay State Trail that goes from Wausau to Green Bay. About a quarter of the way there, quarter of the way to Green Bay. Thanks for watching.